I just want to send a quick message letting people know that you are not alone. I get a lot of messages from people who are scared, nervous, anxious because they're starting a new career, and it's like entering an abyss where you don't know what's going to happen. But that's also what's exciting. But I want you to know that if you failed your exam, you're not alone. I talk to all the people all the time who failed before. And there's people who have not sold a home yet, and they don't even know if they're making the right choice by getting into this industry. And that makes sense. It's daunting, it's scary, and can be overwhelming. Now, I'm not trying to scare you. I'm just trying to say there's other people who are in your situation. And sometimes it can feel lonely when you hear these posts about people passing the exam, or people selling a home, or people making whatever, a gabillion, zillion dollars, whatever they claim. And we know in this world of social media where everybody posts only pictures of their best selves and their best moments at the best times, that it could come across that you're alone. Now, I want to make it clear, you are not. You're not the only one struggling, and there's other people who can empathize with what's going on in your life. So I want you to take that to heart, and I want you to be consistent with what you're doing. This is not an excuse to give up on the goals and say this is too hard. It's a reason to persevere through the tough times and just keep doing those daily tasks, whether it's memorizing vocabulary, contacting some people, or attending a networking event, or learning things about the industry. Whatever it may be. The reality is you may not even end up selling real estate, may do something else, but it's going to come from a product of you pushing and being there every single day. I never imagined I'd be doing this, talking to you in front of your YouTube channel. When I started, I wasn't even sure what YouTube really was, but I stuck with it, tried something every day, kept pushing, finding angles, finding a niche until something worked for me. And that's going to happen for you as well. Just keep pushing, try and find those angles, and find something that works for you. Maybe you'll end up selling the biggest homes in the world, or maybe you'll end up doing something different that's related to the effort you've put in to kind of pursue a new life. So stay consistent, take on those daily tasks, and realize you're not alone. So if things aren't going right, don't feel bad. A lot of people go through it, and you'll be fine.